Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your post on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you come across this home page, click on the profile icon in the top section of your screen. Now scroll down your screen. Click on your post. Click on the 3 horizontal dots available in your post. Then tap on delete option. And if you're sure, click on the delete option once again. And that is how you can delete a post on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.